Welcome back to my channel. Yay! For today's video, I'm gonna take you along with me, guys, in my day. For now, I'm getting ready to go to a grocery shop. My fridge is empty. I need to buy some stuff. I honestly don't like my makeup today. I don't know why. It's just, you have these days where something is wrong. I don't know what. Or whatever, I'll just go to do some grocery shop. Nothing special. This is my outfit for today. Simple, basic. And yeah, we are ready to go buy some eggs and some bread for breakfast. Let's go! I'm exhausted. It's so hot outside. I'm out. I am out. I didn't have breakfast, so I need caffeine in my body. Let's go. I'm gonna do a grocery shop haul. So we have eggs, very important for protein, and we have almond milk. Green tea, very important. I can't sleep if I don't drink my tea. Dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. We have some oranges, carrot. How do I say this in English? Chou Bruxelles. It's, I don't know what it is. I don't know how to say it in English. Too much work. Some sweet potatoes, and the last thing is petit pois, which is, I don't know in English, petit pois like this. So yeah, that's it for my grocery shop haul. Now I'm gonna eat my breakfast, who's waiting for me behind, and we'll see for the day. You can see me now. That's my outfit for today. It's just a basic outfit because I'm in my grandma's house. And now me and my sisters will go to a coffee shop and we'll see after, maybe do some shopping and some fun activities. So yay!
Please don't believe her what she's posting. She's a big liar.
Yes.
She doesn't eat. She doesn't really do it.
No, that's not true. Let's ignore those two people over there. And we go to a coffee shop. I've seen those oatmeal cookies in TikTok, and I really wanted to try it since now I'm on a diet. Well, I'm not on diet, I just try to eat healthier. So yeah, it was like kind of healthy cookies, chocolate chips, and everything is cookies. I love it. I love cookies. I can die for cookies. I can eat cookies for like the whole 3 months straight. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I love it. So I wanted to try it now, and yeah, let's do it together. We need oatmeal, this. We need bananas. I'm running out from chocolate chips, but I have a little bit. Why is it like this? Okay, that's weird. So we need one banana. We're gonna smash it really well. Okay, let's do a taste test of our cookies. I burned them a little bit, but it's okay. Nah. No. They are not bad, but it's not like normal cookies, you know? No, actually I like them. It's really not that bad. But of course I prefer normal cookies. That's for sure. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Me now, I'm just gonna continue editing my videos and go to bed because I am a little bit tired. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and see you in the next video, inshallah. Bye.